What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So you see it, boys. In this video, we're going to be sanding Gladys down. Those of you that are new to the channel, you don't know, Gladys is our 2006 Honda Civic Si. And yeah, boys, like I said, we're going to be sanding down Gladys, fixing some of the rust in the quarter panels, and yeah, getting it ready for paint, because we're going to set this whole little building up inside to be a paint booth. And this is just going to be do it at your home, in your garage type of deal, but it's definitely going to be broke up into sections. Today we're basically concentrating on getting the SI sanded down and a little bit of rust around the quarter panels. I know it should be done the right way by cutting the metal out. I'm just going to try to get all the rust out and get it killed, get it treated, and then throw some body filler, some fiberglass body filler over it, and smooth it all out and just shoot the thing. This is just our daily. It's just a beater, so just wanted to look a little better and want the experience. And you know, I'm going to do it myself in my house, in my little garage, so hey, what the heck. But if you're new to the channel, go on and smash that subscribe button. And those of you that are old, I appreciate you. And the new people, welcome. And yeah, smash the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. And go on and smash a like, because you're definitely going to like this one, boys. But I'm just going to get everything ready. And as y'all can see, I got ahead of myself. I've already sanded most of the car down. But I'm just going to put little clips together that I've done off. I did it on camera, but I did it before. Like I said, I got ahead of myself. But I've got enough clips to put you guys a little something together. So check it out. All right, guys. So as you can see, the clear coat and the paint is starting to fade on this thing like crazy. So a paint job is well past due. And yeah, that's what we're going to do here real shortly, guys. Put some new paint on this thing, and yeah, she'll look a lot better, I'm sure. As you can see, guys, this is only bad on one side of the car, this driver's side of the car. The passenger side is damn near flawless. All right, boys, it's the next day. As y'all can see, what I did yesterday is clean this guy. Hey, Kane. You must want to come in the house. It's hot. Let me get him in the house real quick, boys. All right, guys, sorry about that. Had to put my boy in the house, but yeah. As y'all can see, I didn't sand the whole side. Really just going to do what needed to be taken care of. So yeah, right now I'm working on this back quarter. It was starting to rust out, and I'm gonna give you a closer shot so you can see what we're working with. So y'all can see it's the top layer that's rusted away. And I know the right way to do this is to cut this whole quarter out, at least this part, and replace it, or at least to like right here. But we're not getting into all that today, guys. So, and if you could tell, this main structure right here, it's intact. The rust hasn't even got to it yet, which is a good thing. It's basically just the top layer, if you can tell. So, taking a wire brush to it, I'm gonna fix it my way. It's basically just a little budget makeover, like I mentioned yesterday, that we're doing on Gladys. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind down those layers that are rusted on the top, as you can see. I'm gonna grind all that down, get all that rust away, and then I'm gonna put some of that rust mort, and then I'm gonna hit it with some of that navel jelly that I use, the pink stuff that kills rust, turns everything black once it's dead. It seemed to work just fine on my Nissan. So we're just gonna go ahead and do Gladys the same way today, boys. So after I put that navel jelly and, you know, the rust turns black or whatever rust is left, if any, it'll turn black. And then we'll go ahead and lay some of our fiberglass Bondo down, a real light layer, and then we'll hit it with some lightweight body filler and then some metal glaze, and yeah, we'll be ready to lay some primer down and then hit this thing with some base, boys. So I'll be back with y'all. Right now, boys, I've got some navel jelly rust killer or rust dissolver on there and just letting it sit on there for about 15 minutes. And now, as you can see, guys, I've rinsed the navel jelly off, and everything that was rust has turned to a blackish color. All right, boys, there you have it. It's completely feather edged. That's after the lightweight body filler. Next, we just gonna go ahead and top it off with some glaze, and we're gonna send it, boys. Looks good for my house, looks good for my window, and for my eyes, so let's get it. After the metal glaze, that's what we left with. I'm stoked, guys, for real. I'm happy with it. That's all that matters. And as you can see, hit it with a little bit of primer. Not a whole lot, but I just put a little bit of primer over the body filler, or the metal glaze. And now, guys, I just got to sand the rest of the car, the rest of the door, and this lower part of the car. And of course, I've got to sand the bumpers and the wing and the roof and everything else. But yeah, you guys see what's going on here. Got the rust cut out. Salvage as much as we can, save as much as we can. Yeah, guys, unfortunately, the passenger side had the exact same rust spot as the driver's side in the quarter. It was ate up with rust all the way through, just crumbled to pieces when I started grinding it down. So yeah, did the same thing on this side as I did on the driver's side. And yeah, boys, gonna send it. It's definitely not gonna be perfect, but It's just a daily. It's a beater. It's good enough for me. I think we got her now, boys. Completely sanded down with 320. Now time for a rinse down, and should be ready for some primer. God willing, tomorrow. All right, boys, in this clip here, you guys see me and my girls, referring to my daughter, Alexia, and my wife, helping me basically just get this garage cleaned out and get it cleared out, enough room for me to make a paint booth out of it. So, yeah, guys, shout out to them. I appreciate them girls. Couldn't have did it without them. And here you see Gladys outside. I've got the headlights masked off, the grill masked off. Yeah, boys, she's down to the ashy skin. So she's looking dusty and ashy, but I ain't gonna lie, boys, I'm kind of feeling this matte color. No cap, yo, that's not bad. But yeah, boys. And here you see it, guys, pretty much coming along, 3/4 of the way. I've got the back wall dividing my toolboxes and the motors and the rest of the stuff that I don't want to get overspray on. That goes all the way up to the ceiling, to the top rafter. And then I've got my side walls pretty much dropped from about 3/4 of the way down to just protect what I've got hanging up on my walls. And there you see it, boys. Gladys is pulled into her new home for the next, well, I don't know how long, because you guys know I'm a trucker, so I'm probably only going to get around to, maybe primer in the car this weekend if I'm lucky. But you guys won't see that. This video is just about getting her ready to be primered. So, yeah, boys. Definitely making progress. All right, boys. There you have it. That's going to conclude this video. Basically, just primering the car, getting it ready for paint, or getting it ready for primer. As you can see, you can probably tell in the video, I'm exhausted. This is like the second and a half, kind of third day that I've been working on this car straight to get it ready for some paint. And yeah, boys, today is currently Thursday. This video will most likely air tomorrow, Friday. And probably won't get around to primering the car. I'm praying, God willing, at least get it in primer this weekend. So, like I said, this video will probably be posting tomorrow, which is Friday. It's been a long week. I've been here at home. It's Blitz week in trucking. If you know, you know. So we chose not to run this week to get some stuff done around the house. And this is one of my main things that I wanted to get done. And here we are Thursday and still fighting it. So main goal, I'd like to at least have it in primer by the end of the weekend. It's definitely probably not going to get paint this weekend, but would definitely like to at least get the primer done, boys. So right now she's currently just sitting in here. Going to probably be giving her a good wipe down. And then after I give her a good wipe down, because I gave her a good wash outside before the trees started dropping stuff on her and all that, and dust and stuff, because she sat outside for a good, I don't know, half a day, most of the day today. So she got dusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a good wipe down, and then hit her with some wax and tar remover and get the primer laid down. But if you want to see that, boys, you're gonna have to stay tuned. Hit the bell icon down below to get notifications when that video drops. It's going to be coming real soon, so definitely hit that bell icon and stay tuned, boys. If you're not subscribed, go on and smash the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. It's greatly appreciated as well by the J&A family. And go on and smash the like as well. It doesn't cost you a thing either, and it helps the channel out a lot. So yeah, boys, that's going to do it for Primer and Gladys and getting her ready for paint. And like I said, stay tuned. Like I always say, I love you all. God bless you all. I appreciate each and every single one of you. We wouldn't be where we at today, boys, without God first, then you guys. So appreciate you all. Love you all. God bless you all. Until the next one, boys, we out.